What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're gonna look at the top 5 holders of Bitcoin. Now we're gonna start with number 5, and then at the very end, you're gonna see number 1, which is pretty interesting. The cool thing about this, guys, is, I'm really big on crypto, but some of the things I'm gonna show you right now, obviously Coinbase is number 5 of the top companies that hold Bitcoin, is some of the companies I share is gonna help with stocks. If you're into Coinbase, I think this is a really good thing for Coinbase stock. And also it's gonna talk a little bit about crypto and the cryptos that you should be holding based off their holdings of Bitcoin, if that makes sense. So with that, drop a like, would always appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to grab your coffee. Here's mine. As we dive into Coinbase, you see is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States and one of the few crypto exchanges globally to be publicly traded on a stock exchange. And they are number 5 for holding Bitcoin. As a trailblazer in the crypto industry, Coinbase has established itself as a leader, actively collaborating with governments and regulatory bodies to ensure compliance and foster the development of clear regulations for evolving digital asset space. So we've talked about Coinbase stock a couple times. If you're a Patreon member, it is up massively from the times we alerted to buy, and I'm still very bullish on Coinbase stock just as an investment. But it's also a plus that they hold a ton of Bitcoin, because I don't think Bitcoin is going anywhere. I believe Bitcoin will be here for the rest of our lives, honestly. Like, you have to think of, what did the last 20 years look like for you? It's a completely different world than we're at today. So what is the next 20 years gonna look like for us? It's gonna be a completely different world than where we're at today. Number 4 is Tesla. Now Tesla, I have a nice position with the stock as well, and we've obviously talked about it for a couple years now and traded in and out of it, but Tesla is the number 4 for holding the most Bitcoin. I mean, you can see obviously Elon Musk is very crypto pro right now with Donald Trump winning the election. Elon Musk also talks about Dogecoin a lot, which is also very nice. We were calling Dogecoin under 10 cents, and now it's about 40 cents. So obviously, there's been a lot of momentum with Tesla, Elon Musk, Dogecoin, and the crypto space. So it's a positive that Tesla also is holding Bitcoin because they think long term. And if we believe Bitcoin is here to stay and it's gonna go up in value over a 5, 10, 15-year period, then this is only going to bring more benefits and more good things to Tesla down the road. You could also see Tesla holds 11,500 Bitcoin, and it's valued at about $1 billion. All right, the third largest holding for company is Galaxy Digital Holdings. See, GLXY. So it's a diversified financial service and investment management company operating at a forefront of digital asset, cryptocurrency, and blockchain technology sectors. The firm plays a pivotal role in advancing the adoption and integration of blockchain-driven solutions in traditional financial markets. So financial services company integrating Bitcoin and cryptocurrency into it. It's going to be a part of our future, right? So GLXY, I don't really know too much about them, but they are the 3rd largest holding for companies. Number 2, one of my favorite stocks right now is Mara. Okay, so Mara is a leading cryptocurrency mining company specializing in the creation of Bitcoin. So they mine Bitcoin. According to data from the crypto tracker platform CoinGecko, Mara holds the 2nd largest Bitcoin reserve among publicly traded companies with a total of 26,000 Bitcoin. At current market prices, this is an impressive $2.5 billion. Okay, so this is why I feel really good about Mara also, is they hold a ton of Bitcoin. What do we believe Bitcoin is gonna do in the future? We believe it's gonna go much higher, right? So what is that gonna do to Mara stock? That's gonna help Mara grow, first of all, because they're mining Bitcoin and the price of it is going up, but it's also going to help Mara's stock. And I'm a big believer in Mara right now, looking at the charts, but also being the number 2 company with the most Bitcoin out there. And in first place, MicroStrategy. Okay, so this is the number 1 leading advocate for Bitcoin holding, the largest number of Bitcoin among publicly traded companies. And this guy, we're gonna learn a little bit about him. He's very bullish on Bitcoin. He's been bullish on Bitcoin. He's put in billions of dollars into Bitcoin. Founded by former .com entrepreneur Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy has long advocated for Bitcoin, which is now part of its business model. In its 3rd quarter earnings report, MicroStrategy referred to itself as a Bitcoin treasury company and announced plans to raise $42 billion in capital over the next 3 years through a balanced mix of $21 billion in equity. So let's just pause, guys. The way this guy thinks is not day trading. He's not thinking about next week. He's thinking long term. So that's why he is the #1 holder for all of Bitcoin, because he believes Bitcoin will be priced much higher and he believes it's here to stay. Now, of course, guys, all of this is just information I gave you. This is not financial advice to tell you to buy any stocks or crypto. This is all based on my own opinion. With that, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for being here. Guys, if you want to see how I'm helping people make massive gains in their crypto and stock portfolios, I highly recommend you invest in yourself and join my Patreon. The link is down below. This person, I helped them make their first $1 million. This person, I helped them make $14,000 within a week. This person started seeing profits by working with me. And you can see this person said I provided great insight and a completely different perspective on how to read charts. I have a training course, 3 videos. It's $37. This is going to last until December 1st, 2024. You can see one review. This person just finished all 3 videos, took some good notes, great information. In the course, you're gonna see exactly how to set up your charts just like mine. You're gonna learn when to enter into a stock, when to start taking profit. And you're also gonna learn the same about crypto and understanding the RSI, stochastic, Fibonacci, MACD, and everything I use to find huge winners like EOS, XLM, Dogecoin, XRP, and so many others. If interested, join our community down below.